Yes, thank you everyone. Yes, I'm running as the Greens candidate in the Lower House seat of Bass. But what I'll be talking about today is more to do with what my occupation is, and that's as a structural engineer. One of the things I'm seeing coming through a lot in our housing construction is a move away from use of timber in our buildings. And this is a concern to me because if we are going to move to a low carbon economy, low embodied energy, we do need to start using our timber framing more in our construction. Now, how that fits in with forestry and logging is that we need to establish a sustainable timber industry built on plantation timbers. And that's critical, and it has to happen quickly. And at the moment, it is not happening. And one of the reasons is because of the competition from logging in our native forests, and also we aren't getting the mechanisms right with the carbon farming initiative to set that industry up. So I think one of the degrees we're working towards, but all parties need to be working towards, is a workable plantation system for our forestry products. Now, just one I suppose example of that I'd like to bring up is with the new bushfire codes for our building construction, we have to now get when you build your house, you get your property fire rated, and it's given a fire rating. You'll find, especially where we are around the Yellingup Hills, all that area is regarded as high or extreme bushfire rating, and I'd imagine a lot of areas in the southwest, Bridgetown, Management would be the same. And now with the new construction requirements, you have to build any external timber has to be from timbers that are fire resistant. And currently in Western Australia, none of our timbers are rated to be fire resistant. So the products I've been specifying, and most designers have, and builders have been sourcing, is spotted gum from the eastern states. Now, spotted gum is a timber that can be used in plantation timbers. It has been grown in Western Australia in the past, but as we found out when Giz asked questions earlier on this year in Parliament, we have stopped planting spotted gum as a plantation timber in the state. So at the moment, all our spotted gum and all our spotted gum into the future will be coming in from eastern states. And I suppose that's a loss of an industry in this state, and a loss, it's a great loss of an opportunity. So just in that one example, and this is right through all the construction we're doing, all of a sudden we're transferring all our external timbers in these areas from the eastern states. The other aspect that happens as well is that we're also using quite a lot of rainforest timbers as well in our building construction. We're seeing a lot of stuff coming from Malaysia. In order, if we can get ourselves a plantation timber industry local, which is servicing a lot of our local industry, a lot of that can be put off. So, as far as I can see from an engineering point of view, I see that getting our systems right to get a plantation timber industry working in Western Australia is critical. And I suppose leading into, again, the forestry argument is that while we continue to log our low-grade forests, that's what's coming out of it at the moment, and it's undercutting the ability of our plantation timber industry to get up and running. We're just not making that next step to where we need to be in the future. Thank you.